This video is dedicated to all of you who accuse me of hurting my vegan dog Bella because I refuse to pay anyone to kill animals for her. This video is dedicated to all of you who tell me that I should be paying people to hurt animals, to feed my dog Bella instead of feeding her vet-approved, healthy vegan dog food. I guess this is what you want me to do. To get these people to kill an animal for my dog. Is that right? Is that what you want? Would that make you happy? Which animal exactly do you want me to pay people to hurt, to burn, to bleed, to terrify? Would this be good enough for you? Would it be okay? Would this satisfy you if I paid these people? Would you be happy if I showed up there and bought the corpse of this animal and fed him or her to my dog Bella? Would you like me to kill another dog to feed my dog Bella? No. Why is that? Why not? What's the difference between a dog and a pig and a cow and a chicken? It's amazing to me how so many people think that the Chinese are evil for doing this to dogs, and yet 3 times a day they pay other people to do the same thing to other sentient beings who feel as much pain as this little dog did. Is this what you want me to do? You want me to pay somebody to hurt an animal for my dog Bella? Is that right? Here's a dog. An innocent individual with a personality whose tail used to wag, who wanted to live. Do you know what the soundtrack really is to these videos? Somebody posted them with the soundtrack of somebody laughing like a maniac. This video is for all of you who are not yet vegan but are still sane and can clearly see how absolutely horrific this is and can make the connection that you can be vegan from now on. There's no reason to hurt anyone. And vegan dogs can be perfectly healthy. Many of you can see right through the other people who accuse me of animal abuse, because you know it is insane that my dog, whose tail wags and who sleeps in a king-size bed and who gets several walks a day, is doing great. This is animal abuse, and most of you can see the difference. Do not be swayed by the psychopaths and the sociopaths and the narcissists in my comment section. This is a holocaust, completely unnecessary. These birds had personalities. They never did anything wrong to any of us. They're not objects. Everyone can choose to eat lentils instead, and beans, and tofu, and pasta, and potatoes. There's no reason to hurt them. This is a bird ground up in a machine. What do you think you're eating when you're eating minced meat? Which parts of the body of other animals are you eating? Feet, intestines, feathers. Frogs do not belong on barbecues. Lentils, beans, and rice can be cooked and served instead. Animals feel pain. They suffer just like we do. They have a brain and nervous systems. They are terrified before death. Look at this. Desperately trying to stay out of the boiling water, even with his or her head cut off. Don't tell me that animals don't feel pain. Never say that again. It is my sincere hope that anyone who deliberately hurts animals, when there are other choices, has the same treatment done to them. Only psychopaths hurt baby animals. These are babies. Just babies. No different than kittens or puppies. I turned the sound off for this video. It is the sound of maniacal laughing. They're babies. They're just babies. And even if they were full-grown adults or grandparents, there is no need to do this. I urge anyone who finds this as horrific as I do to consider what you're already eating. Don't eat bacon. Don't eat sausage. Don't eat ham. Don't eat salami. Don't eat pepperoni. Don't eat frogs. Don't eat cats. Don't eat dogs. Don't eat chickens. Don't eat turkeys. Don't eat lambs. Leave the animals alone. Let them live. Subscribe to this channel and be vegan from now on.